Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest gadgets and technology. Today, we have an intriguing 3D printer on our hands, the Biqu Hurakan. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. The Biqu Hurakan sets itself apart by offering the Clipper firmware, known for its speed and accuracy. Previously, installing Clipper required technical expertise and a Raspberry Pi. But Biqu has made it more accessible by integrating Clipper directly into the printer. However, the design of the Hurakan does have a few potholes that we'll discuss later. But let's address some of the issues with the Hurakan. Firstly, the micro SD card slot located on the front contains the printer's firmware. And removing it while the machine is on can cause a system failure. There's also a full-size SD card slot that seems unusable. And the painted grid on the build plate can be easily damaged by common isopropyl alcohol. The Hurakan comes well packaged with everything you need to set it up. Biqu provides tools, a spare nozzle, a micro SD card with a USB adapter, and even a small sample of white PLA filament. However, be sure not to lose or tamper with the micro SD card, as it contains essential files for running the printer. The assembly process has its quirks, particularly with the Z-rod and stepper motor. It may take some effort to get it just right, but once assembled, the printer is relatively straightforward to wire and set up. Hurakan's user interface and controls may not be as intuitive as printers running Marlin firmware. Navigating the menu can be a bit challenging, but fear not. There's a simpler and more informative alternative, the mainsail interface. By accessing the printer remotely from your computer, you can bypass the control screen's quirks. During our tests, we printed various models, including the Clock Spring Torture Toaster, the Crystal Dragon, and a putty box of jokes. The Hurakan performed admirably, producing clean prints with only minor rough spots on overhangs. In conclusion, the Biqu Hurakan offers an intriguing proposition for those interested in Clipper firmware without the hassle of setting up a Raspberry Pi. Priced at $369, it comes with several great features, such as a double-sided pay-coated flex plate and autobed leveling. However, it's important to note that the Hurakan does have its limitations and may require some prior 3D printing experience. If you're looking for a hassle-free 3D printer, the Anker Make M5 may be a better option with its blazing speed of 250 MMPs. On the other hand, if you want a reliable printer right out of the box at a lower price point, consider the Neptune 3 Pro, currently available for $230. That's it for today's review of the Biqu Hurakan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.